Turning engine number 1L166. Engine turning good. On this side everything looks good. Aircon, fuel pump, starter. On the top everything looks good, no damage. Mechanic gearbox. On this side alternator, steering pump, turbo, no luft, no oil. Oil some no leaks, and the engine turning good.